The LG C2 comes in as one of the best OLED TVs currently available on the consumer market, but it is not as perfect as it seems, just a few downsides. But that doesn't merit it as a terrible TV. You could still enjoy it, but here is why people do not like the LG C2 OLED TV.
Here we go.
The LG C2 was released as the upgraded version of the LG C1, and it comes with one of the best self-emissive and perfect contrast control panels currently available on the market. The LG C2 OLED TV comes equipped with 4 HDMI 2.1 connectors that can all support 4K/120 Hz, just like the LG C1. It also comes with the Alpha A9 Gen 5 processor, which is intended to provide better object enhancement and dynamic tone mapping for an improved viewing experience, giving images more realistic details. The LG C2 is available in sizes 43, 48, 55, 65, 77, and 83 inches, which is better than the limited 55 and 65 inches provided by Sony and Samsung for the A95K and S95B, respectively. The LG C1 comes with the Magic Remote, which has a built-in microphone, so you can voice search for content.
This is good. This is good.
While the inbuilt microphone may be a step up, but the audio is not so great. Stay with us for more. Additionally, there are also dedicated buttons for Google Assistant and Alexa, as well as shortcuts to streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video, which are powered by 2 AA batteries. Again, the LG C2 TV utilizes the same WebOS smart interface as other LG TVs manufactured before it, which now has some improvements to enhance the smooth and fluid user experience. The WebOS supports most of the popular streaming services from Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV, and Prime Video to HBO Max, which you can access with the Magic Remote or use the Google Assistant or Alexa voice control feature. In addition, LG's very own sports alerts, web browser, and media player apps are also available. The LG C2 is an excellent TV for playing video games with minimal input lag for a responsive gaming experience. It is PS5 and Xbox Series X compatible and has all the gaming capabilities to offer, including 4K at 120 Hz gameplay, supported by all 4 HDMI ports provided, which is excellent for instances when you want to connect a PC as well as both consoles at the same time.
Nice.
Gaming capabilities go beyond exceptional on the LG C2, which has support for Stadia game streaming and GeForce Now. And on the other hand, it comes pre-installed with FreeSync and G-Sync. Furthermore, it comes with HDR, HDR10 Pro, HLG, and Dolby Vision, but doesn't have HDR10+. Keep up with us, and let's find out more on this as well. When it comes to the pricing, the 42-inch LG C2 TV with the model number OLED 42 C2 PUA is currently selling at £1,399/£1,399/1,800 Australian dollar. The 48-inch OLED 48 C2 PUA selling at £1,499/£1,399/£1,960 Australian dollar. The 55-inch OLED 55 C2 PUA selling at £1,799/£1,898/£2,350 Australian dollar. The 65-inch OLED 65 C2 PUA model, also selling at £2,499/£2,699/£3,270 Australian dollar. The 77-inch OLED 77 C1 PUA model at £3,499/£3,699/£4,590 Australian dollar. And finally, the 83-inch OLED 83 C2 PUA model selling at £5,499/£5,499/£7,200 Australian dollar.
I love this.
Find more content like this by subscribing to our channel below. Now let's check out some reasons why people may not like the LG C2. 1. Audio issues. The LG C2 OLED is equipped with the well-known A9 Gen 5 AI processor, which LG refers to as the AI Sound Pro, stating that immerse yourself in the action as our A9 Gen 5 AI processor upmixes 2-channel audio into virtual 7.12 channel sound for a cinema-like experience every time. And it is capable of virtual channel sound into simulated 7.12 channel surround sound, which LG C2 believes does a nice job of delivering a clean, clear, and crisp audio experience that matches whatever you are watching on the TV. However, the TV has a 2.2 channel system with 40 watts of power behind them, as well as a down-firing speaker direction that isn't as near as powerful as a separate soundbar. Thus, a lack of immersive, genuine surround sound system, as against the Samsung S95B's 2.22.2 sound system with 60 watts of power.
Who's interested?
No HDR10+. While most smart TVs provide consumers with HDR, HDR10, HDR10 Pro, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision, with the LG C2, you can use HDR, HDR10 Pro, HLG, and Dolby Vision with the exception of HDR10+, which isn't supported.
Oh no, no, no!
The HDR10+ is a high dynamic range HDR video technology that augments HDR10 source files with dynamic metadata employed to adapt and optimize each frame of the HDR video to the capabilities of your display. 3. Display issues. LG promises over 800 nits of peak brightness.
May we all live to see it.
However, that is not the case. Unlike being a game changer, its brightness levels are just like every other OLED TV. Finally, the LG C2 isn't a great TV for bright environments either.
Sun-filled rooms probably won't enjoy this TV either because, well, simply put, it does have a glossy panel and that usually sees a lot of reflections.
With all this said, the LG C2 is a great TV, and if you decide to eventually go for it, be sure that while you may not get the perfect TV, you will enjoy its great features. Check out this other review on why people do not like the Sony A95K as well. Thanks for watching.